2015 Jaguar XJ something. Well, passenger door stopped latching, and doesn't matter what you do, you cannot latch the door. So pretty much took the lock out because it was not latching, period. Was not doing this. Was thinking what I can do with this lock, and nothing. Really. Unless we got another. But how I got the lock to work? I was pretty much tapping on it like that, and then it did latch. I thought that something is broken. Nope, it just probably seized up. Maybe somebody looped it up with something that's not supposed to be in here. So I washed it out. If you do lubricate this lock, you need to use silicone grease that does not warp the plastic, because any other grease will warp the plastic and it will stuck like that. So only silicone. So I guess the lock is going back in, and I probably didn't even have to take it out. If you ran into a situation like that, you can get a torque in this one of these bolts and tap on it. See if it's gonna make it a latch. Maybe it can save you from replacing it and taking it off. If you are replacing this guy, screws, one hidden screws. You think that's here? No. You pop this cover down, one screw in the panel right there, another screw right there. Then you start from this side, you pop this panel out, 10mm screw, the rest is on clips. And then what else? Then you have a huge plate. I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Then you have this thing, wires, screws around it, and I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but this could be a crash sensor. So if you are gonna try to tap on the lock, disconnect the battery to be safe. If you are replacing it, once you get this guy out, then you have to unscrew this. Then you need a very long T20, like a T20 without any kind of a body, long T20 to unscrew the door handle, because unfortunately the cable goes from here to the door lock. Yeah, that's the screw that you need to loosen. Then you take the handle out, take this part out. Then you go inside, get the wire, then you slide this thing out, and then there is one screw out here that holds that plastic. It comes down. Then you can pretty much when this is out and this thing, you have to get this guy in, move it out of the way. Somehow you can wiggle all this and disconnect all these millions of wires. I mean, it's kind of a not super hard, but not super easy either. That goes in that plate here. So that's in case if you have to remove it. And actually these clips broke on me, and yeah, we'll have to replace 2 clips for this thing, because you cannot get this bolt out unless you pop this plastic out. So that's how it is to replace it. Yeah, that's the panel right here that you need to take out to get the 10mm screw. But I would suggest, if your door lock stopped latching, actually you do need to tap on this one. I don't think it's gonna do anything on these guys, it's too outside. But I don't know, try to tap on it, see if it's gonna get the latch to latch back in again. Maybe it's gonna save you from doing all this. But in my case, I'm just gonna put it back, probably lubricate it with some silicone spray, and hope it's gonna work. You know, one way or the other way, we have to order the new lock. So that's pretty much it. Alright, thank you.